ginger and cinnamon can create a flavorful and potentially health-boosting duo. Here are some of the benefits associated with using ginger and cinnamon together. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol that can help stimulate digestion, reduce nausea, and alleviate digestive discomfort. Cinnamon has been traditionally used to aid digestion, relieve indigestion, and reduce bloating. Both ginger and cinnamon have anti-inflammatory properties. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerol, and in cinnamon, such as cinnamaldehyde, have been studied for their ability to reduce inflammation and potentially help with conditions like arthritis. Cinnamon has been suggested to improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Ginger might also contribute to better blood sugar management by enhancing insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. Cinnamon has been associated with potential heart health benefits, including reducing LDL cholesterol levels and improving blood pressure. Ginger's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties might also contribute to heart health by reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Ingredients: ginger, cinnamon,